Today, we're continuing our mini-series on renovations. I decided to break up these topics due to the sheer volume of material. Last week, we discussed the concept of holding the flashlight, and over the next few episodes, we're going to be breaking down best practices when running a renovation. Let's get right to it. Okay, so for today's first renovation segment, let's talk about quotations, but more specifically, multiple quotations. This is probably not a new concept to our audience, but important enough for me to mention. Make sure you get multiple quotes on any project. Whether you're hiring someone to install a brand new kitchen or just doing a bunch of smaller repairs around your rental property, getting multiple quotes results in, number one, a comparison of price. This one's obvious. Number two, a comparison on professionalism. Are the quotes handwritten, from a computer? Some might even be created on a professional quotation software. Not to say that there's anything wrong with just a written quote, but is it on letterhead or a blank piece of loose leaf paper? Is a quote laid out in a fashion that indicates the contractor is organized or all over the place? And number three, a comparison on the details of the repair. You'll immediately notice that certain contractors include materials as a separate line item, while others include the materials as part of the entire quote. And paying attention to these details will also tell you a lot about the contractors themselves. A contractor that walks into a building, gives a nice round number, but hasn't put a lot of thought into anything, and you'll be either overpaying or underpaying, but will have tons of extras and surprises by the end of the renovation. You want contractors that will be very specific on labor and materials, trip charges, picking up materials, even working in their profit margins so you can see everything up front. Don't forget, cheaper isn't necessarily better, especially when you have to fire a contractor and then pay somebody else to undo the damage they've already inflicted on your property. Do you have the same contractor that has worked on multiple jobs for you, and are you happy? I'd still get multiple quotes. Why? To keep everyone honest. Healthy competition never hurt anyone, and the added benefit is building those relationships with other trades. You never know when your favorite contractor will be too busy for you, or you're in major growth mode and need different contractors for multiple job sites. And that will do it for today. Join us next episode where I'll be tackling the concept of progress payments.